If you're noticing slow downloads in Chrome, try these 4 simple methods to speed things up. Method 1. Enable parallel downloading in Chrome. Open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type Chrome//flags and press Enter. In the search box at the top, type parallel downloading. When the option appears, set it to enabled. Click the relaunch button at the bottom to restart Chrome. This feature allows Chrome to split downloads into smaller parts, increasing speed. Method 2. Change your DNS for faster connections. Right-click the Start menu and select Run. Type nspod.cpl and hit Enter. This opens your network connections. Right-click your active connection, e.g. Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS server 1.1, 1.1, alternate DNS server 1.0, 0.1. Click OK to apply the changes. This switches your DNS to Cloudflare servers, which are often faster and more reliable. Method 3. Remove unwanted Chrome extensions. Open Chrome and click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Extensions greater than Manage Extensions. Review your installed extensions. Remove anything you don't recognize or no longer use by clicking Remove. Unnecessary or suspicious extensions can slow down browsing and downloads. Method 4. Flush your DNS cache. In Windows Search, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. When prompted, click Yes. In the black window, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/flushdns. This clears outdated DNS data that may be slowing your connection. Final step. Restart your computer. After completing all methods, restart your PC to apply the changes. You should now notice an improvement in Chrome's download performance.